Right, my name is Samantha Hevege. So we are starting another class for grade 8 ICT. Right. All right. So I will ask some, some of the questions, right, from you guys. These are, easy questions what we have done so far, right? Just to, understand how your level is, right? Right. Uh, This one, Ronalia, can you answer what do you mean by a software? I think you can hear my question, right?
Software is a computer program.
All right, computer program. What else you can see? Tell anything else?
That it is created to perform specific tasks.
All right. Okay, Cindy, can you explain what do you mean by the software?
Software means a computer program designed to perform.
Okay. Which what do you mean by perform means what?
What?
What do you mean by performing means what?
ඒක දක්වනවා.
No, I am asking from the performing. I mean, what kind of a performing?
Tasks.
Task, right? Okay. How about Tarul? What do you mean by the software, the computer software?
Software is a machine that helps to do a certain task and like if you need to write. Do you not? Do you want example also for it?
No. Tarul, software is not a machine. You said that software is a machine. No, it's wrong.
Okay.
The software is what? Software is it software is tangible or intangible?
Intangible.
Yeah, intangible. Okay, so if it is intangible, software should not be a machine, right? So, what do you think? Software means, and can you try again?
Software is a computer program designed to perform tasks.
What? Can you tell again? Okay, that's all. So as a software, for example, if you have a user manual, what do you think? It is under software or not?
Under software.
Under software, correct. Yeah. Why I am saying that it is under software? I am saying that user manual also we refer as a software, kind of a software. Any idea?
So can you say the question again?
I am saying that user manuals are there, no? Right?
Yeah.
So the user manuals, right? So user manual are under software, right? So I am
Yeah.
saying that, right? What do you mean by why we are saying that the user manual is under software? Very simple question. Any idea? Because the software in a definition, software is not only the computer programs, right? Software is not only the computer programs, it's having the associated documentation. I think you can remember, right? I said about the associated documentations, right? So those are documentations, right? So definitely the software not only so we can't refer the computer program is only the particular refer as a software computer programs, but associated documentation such as user manual, system documentations. User manual, what's the purpose of the user manual, Cindy? Any idea about the user manual?
So that can help to do, like, if you for the programs and the softwares on it, what is used to do.
Yes, software use. So I think I asked from Cindy, right? Cindy, you know the user manual. So when you go and buy a product, right, you will get a user manual. What is the purpose of the user manual? So very simple question. No? User manual? No idea?
User manual explain how a business user is to use.
No, no, no. User manual explain that particular product, how you can use it, right? The whatever the product or services. So so for example, how to install it, right? How to configure it, right? Something like that, right? So that is about the user manual. Got it? How to configure it, how to troubleshoot it, right? So that is about the user manual. Okay, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is called user manual, right? Right. Anything else about the user manual? You know? Can you tell me? No idea? Okay, what do you mean by the, okay, then tell me about, because these are very important basic question I am asking today, right? So because even though I have teach many things, if you are not remembering, so that is no use, right? That's why I am asking, right? What do you mean by the hardware, computer hardware? Ronalia, can you answer for that?
Hi, sir, I can't hear you. Your voice is breaking.
Uh, no, I was asking about the computer hardware.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Tell me about the computer hardware. Ronalia, I am asking from you. The computer
Uh, it is a tangible system.
tangible. Okay, so software hardware is a tangible. So that is also. So what else? Oh, these are very question. I don't know why you are so much of worried about this question. See, if you are not if you are not capable of saying the definition of the computer hardware, so what is the use of teaching and this learning ICT? These are very basic questions.
The
So
physical components of a computer.
yes, physical component of the computer system. That is called tangible devices where it consists of all the computer system. So that's how you have to tell, right? Very easy, right? So remember that the computer hardware is a tangible things or the physical component of the computer system where it can touch and feel. So I have teach these things, right? Okay. What are the main parts of the computer hardware?
CPU.
Sorry, CPU is
CPU.
not a main part. I mean, main categories of the hardware. Right. Tell me.
Storage device.
Yes, one is storage device. You are not. I don't know what happened to you guys. You don't know the part of the computer
Oh,
hardware, right? So I have to inform your parents because you are not studying.
Voice is
sir,
breaking.
sir,
No,
is it
no, my voice is
sir,
not
is
work.
the
I think Ronalia, you have a problem in your headset.
sir, is
Actually,
it
sir, that
Not
also
Ronalia, I'm Cindy.
Yeah, Cindy, I think you have a problem in your headset or something
sir,
because my voice is clear because I am using Jabra headset.
sir,
Right. Yeah, tell me.
sir, is it involved input and output also for the hardware?
Definitely. Yeah. Yeah. Computer hardware.
Yes,
Right. Computer. Can you see my board?
yes,
yes, sir.
teacher. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Computer hardware main part is what? Main part we have input devices. We have output devices. Right. We have output devices. We have storage devices. Right. These are the main part of the computer hardware. Right. So remember these things. Very simple questions. No. Right. Hardware is a physical component of the computer system. Physical component. Right. Physical component of the computer system. That's called computer hardware. Right. Please, refer my videos. You know I have a YouTube channel. Your all recordings are there. I think last except last 3 2 weeks, other all are there. But today or tomorrow I will put latest or whatever the new videos which we couldn't put, right? So you have recordings. So if you are having free time, you just go through your recording, right? So look at that. So what, so why I am recording? So I am not getting any, benefit by recording, but student will get the benefit because student can recap the things, right? So you can hear your voice, your questions, what I have teaching, everything. So if I am asking the questions, if you are not capable of answering for that particular question, right, which I have teach already, so it's not a good sign. And I don't like even, because I am expecting you guys to answering the questions well. When I ask the question, I need a real answer, right? The mama okata, so I am giving, I think I will prepare the test for you. Yeah, next class, definitely remember, next class you will be getting a test,
So
online
is
test.
class today
No,
again?
no, 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 not no, no.
Tomorrow.
Next class. Then today is this class. No, I am asking the next class. I am giving a test for you, right? I am giving a text for you. I will prepare the test, right? So you have to answer the questions, right? So this is live exam, right? So the during the class period, you will answer the questions. So we'll check, because otherwise because then the parent should know, okay, you are the student level. So remember, so because so you will get the test because of that. So I am giving the test from, right, whatever the basic computer we have done, even grade 7 and the grade 8, right? Basic things I am giving a test for you, because then everybody understand the level of their, right? That's what I want to let you know your own way, right? Here, okay, this is about the software problems. I think we have discussed the software problem. If you software is main categorizing of the software, you can say operating system, and other one is you can say application software, right? Application software, right? So application software, okay. Tell me about Ronalia. What do you mean by the application software? Application software.
Application software is a computer program that perform specific tasks.
Oh, so that is software which is which can do some certain tasks.
Excuse me, sir. I
Yes.
can't see your screen clearly. It's all black.
How about others?
You can see, sir.
We can see clearly.
Yeah, that's what. I think Ronalia, you have a problem in your data. That's what. So others can see. Just check. All right. So yeah. Cindy, can you give me the example for the application software that you know?
Uh,
I'm
word
asking.
processing software,
Okay. Word processing. Any other?
uh, Excel,
Okay. Word, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel. Anything else?
Firefox,
Yes. Firefox.
uh, uh, painting.
Yeah. Paint or small app. Yes. Those are the example. Right. So remember, I said that using Microsoft Word, we can create letters, right? And we can create memos. But using Microsoft Word, we are not going to do any calculations, because calculations we use what? Spreadsheet, right? For the calculation purposes, we do the spreadsheet, right? That is spreadsheet. But if you want to use the letters and all, you have to go with the Microsoft Word processing software or example Word. So you know that. So specific purpose. So actually application software very easy to understand.
Yeah.
Application software.
Yeah.
Yes, tell me.
Can we put publisher also for the
Application software, yes, the publisher is used to kind of a making advanced designing or something, the visiting card kind of a thing. Microsoft publisher, that is also application software, right? Yeah. So those application software focus, it focusing mean it's only doing focusing only some jobs, not all jobs, some jobs. Job means work, some work, or work means task, right? Something like that. So that is the nature of the application software. So we say now, in a iPhone we have a Safari. Safari is used for what? In an iPhone we have a Safari application. Safari application is used for browsing the internet. Browse the internet. For example, I said that iPhone, in our laptop or desktop, we have a Google Chrome. Google Chrome is a web browser. So web browser is using for what? Tarul, why we are using the web browser? What is the purpose of the web browser? Tarul, what is the purpose of the web browser?
that help to browse that web if you like
Yeah,
Google.
it's a surfing. It's a surfing the internet. So we use web browser to surf in the internet. So are we use the web browser to you know uh, making some calculations?
No,
No,
sir.
we
Oh,
are not, we are not using that, right? So that's what. So you should understand the application software very clearly. I think these are repeatedly I am telling you, right? So you have to look at my YouTube channel, and you have to look at you, not my YouTube channel. I have many things in my YouTube channel, many recording. You have to look at your recording, grade 7 and grade 8, right? Go and study those, look at those recordings. So because that's
Sir,
why. Yes, tell me.
when is this next class will be?
Yeah, next time I will inform you. Right. So next one, troubleshooting application software problems. Okay. So now, these are applications. No, so application software might be not working. Right. Application software will not be working sometime. Due to various reasons. Various reasons. Sometime when you open the application software, it will not open correctly. It is also the problem. Sometimes the application software open, but suddenly it will be closed automatically. Even you are not closing it, but it automatically closes. That means some problem triggered. Sometimes the some interfaces, some options are not working in that particular application software. Sometimes you can't run all the features, only the few of the features are working, right? Sometimes even you can't open it. When you are clicking and you are trying to open the particular application, but it won't open. It just stay idle. Those are the problems already. Those are the issues. So those are whatever I have discussed so far. Those are the causes it will affect to, application software issues. Then you have to what? So if you are, if you are facing, or if you are facing, or if you are having these kind of issues, for example, application, for example, we say word application is not opening. The word application, you can open it, but it's suddenly closing, right? Where word application, when you open it, it comes like a not responding. The message coming is like not responding. So there something, some issue is there, right? So even this kind of messages, error messages, pop-up map messages, some functions are not working coming. So you should have a idea about, okay, how we can get rid of these things, how we can give the solutions, or how you can troubleshoot these kind of issues, and how you can come up with a solution, and how we can repair this application software itself. Okay, right. I think we have discussed these things, right? This is recapping things, right? Right. Okay, solution one. The simple solution, what they are saying, application software, close and reopen it. It's like a restarting. Restarting your application. Restart. That means you can close it and you can open it, something like that. So they are saying that that is the solution one in your book says. Second solution, even you have done it, we feel that it not helpful, find out if the software is compatible with the specific specification of the computer with installed operating system. Software compatibility is the feature of the software component or the system which allows the functions to get see, this is very, very, very important point. Ronalia, can you tell me what do you mean by the software compatibility? What do you feel this? If you heard about the word software compatibility?
I never heard about it, but is it
No, it
like
was there. It is there in books. So we have done this. So earlier I have teach. You can refer my recordings. I have teach this compatibility. So you can't say you never heard it. You have heard it. You are forgetting. That doesn't mind. It doesn't okay. So you just tell me what you feel it. Software compatibility.
uh, is it like how much data it can bear?
How much data I know? Anybody? Cindy, what do you mean by the software compatibility?
It shows.
Cindy, are you there?
uh,
Yeah, Cindy, tell me.
Uh,
Don't search and tell, right? Don't Google it and tell. So what? So I don't want to, don't look at the books and tell. If you don't know, just say I don't have idea. I am forgetting. So you have to through yourself, right? You have to through to yourself, right? That is a good attitude in your
no,
life. So
I
Cindy,
don't know.
okay,
no,
great.
no.
Tell me about Tarul. What is the answer for this?
So it located the storage of the computer if for the kind of apps if the YouTube is like this much GB and it shows the storage of the computer that can be
No, no, no. I think
so it's called the C one no?
no, 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 no. I think Tarul, you are talking something else. So I just asking software compatibility. This is not a thing or place or somewhere, right? So I am asking the meaning of the software compatibility. So normally what is the compatibility? For example, I will tell, I will get, see, these scenario you have to understand very simple manner, right? I will get first word compatibility. You have to have a idea about the what do you mean by the compatibility. For example, assuming that I have iPhone, right? I have iPhone 6X Plus. Assuming that my iPhone display has been damaged. So this is I am talking about not the software. I am talking about the compatibility word. I just want to illustrate the word meaning of compatibility. That's what I am taking this example. Assuming that I have iPhone 6X Plus. In that iPhone 6X Plus, my display has been damaged or display has been broken myself, by felting, right? Right. Now tell me this. Now I am going to replace, right, to replace my display with iPhone. We say iPhone 4, iPhone 4X display. Can I replace it?
No.
My current iPhone is 6X
No.
plus, but I am going to replace with 4S Apple iPhone display. Can I replace it?
No.
Why?
First of all, it is the screens are different types.
Very good. Yeah, screens are different. The iPhone 6, 4S is very smaller than iPhone 6X Plus. You can't change it because it's not a compatible. See, that's the meaning of compatibility. Because the size, the display size is change and the model is change. Model is vary. The size is vary. It's not compatible, right? It's not supportive. Good word, supportive. Compatibility means another name, whether it is support or not. It should not be a same model. No, it should not be a same model, but it should support. Even if it is not in the same model, but if it is a supportive model, then you can say it's a compatible. Right? For another example, I am taking, assuming that uh, you have a laptop in your home, assuming that your keyboard is not working. You want to replace the keyboard, right? Can you replace your laptop keyboard with a desktop keyboard? Obvious, you
No.
can't, because it's not a compatible, right? It's not a matching. Another word, matching.
As for the computer keyboard is smaller than the.
Yeah, it's not a matching. It's not matching. Right. So I think you are aware about the compatibility. Okay. Compatibility means it's kind of a supportive thing, right? If you are comparing and contrasting, and if you are making something, if you are giving a solution to some device or something, so you should find a compatible or matching part, then only you can make it better. That's the idea about the compatibility. Now I am coming about the software compatibility. Right? Software compatibility means, right, assuming that, right, you have software version software version software version Windows 10, Windows 10 new version, right? Right. But in that software version new version 10, you are going to, right, you are going to install, right, what you are going to install Internet Explorer version 6.0. Can you do it? This is old version. Is that compatible to with new version?
No, sir.
No, you can't do it. Right? You can't do it. Right? Because Windows 10 built-in I version is coming. Right? When you are download and install it, it say no, this is incompatible. Another word, incompatible. Incompatible. That is not compatible. Incompatible. So incompatible, right? That's the meaning about the software inc. So that means when you install the particular software, right? Some software is there, some other application also should there. Some other application should support. If it is not supportive, that means we say that it's a software incompatibility. It's called the software incompatibility. Incompatibility. That means the software component each other can't communicate. They can't communicate. They are not matching. They are not supportive. Not supportive. They are not matching. Got it? This is very important, right? Right? That means if you are installing, some big system, some sophisticated system, you should install many particular we say that software components. Software components. Software components are nothing but, right? Software components are nothing but kind of a software tools, where we are installing to our computer, right, to our computer, right, our computer, to support other applications, to support other applications. That means to run the particular software, you need some other software as well. So if those other software won't, run properly, you can't install the main software. So this is like this is another thing I will tell you. This is kind of a dependency. Dependency. Dependency means the one particular one software depend in another software. So in other words, you can say it's a, if you have a dependency, definitely you should have a compatibility. Did you understand this point? Anyone? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Are you okay? Ronalia? Cindy? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Good. That's why, you now I will tell another point here. So same as software compatibility, we have a hardware compatibility. Hardware compatibility. Hardware compatibility means, for example, we say you have a need for speed, the big latest game. Some gaming software you can't even install to your computer. Why? Why, Tarul?
Because it is not enough capacity for the
Very
computer.
good. It's not compatible. That means to install the particular games, it should have a minimum requirement. Minimum hardware requirement. For example, you should have a 1 terabyte of hard disk. You should have a 4 GB. Give me a second. You should have a 4 GB hard disk, something like that. Hello. Yeah, friends, classes, Miss, would you don't mind? I am on I'm on my Teams class. I will be calling within one an hour. Is it okay? This number? Sure. I will talk to you. Definitely, Miss. We can do it. Okay, I'll call back you. Okay, thanks. Okay. Right. So that's how it goes. Right. Right. Anything you want to clarify about the software incompatibility?
No, sir.
Great. All right. Right. Solution two. Right. Solution two we have discussed. Right. So we will just go through this, right? Which is compatible with one computer requirement may not be compatible to another. For instance, some software that are compatible with Windows operating system do not work with Mac operating system. Therefore, check whether the software is compatible with the computer operating system. If software is compatible, go to the next step. Right. So next one. We will discuss the next solution as well. Check whether software is licensed. Wow, good word. Cindy, what do you mean by the software is licensed? These are very, very important point. Very, very important. Software is licensed. Right? What do you mean by software is licensed?
Sir, can I?
No, I am asking from Cindy.
What is the question?
Cindy, you have to ask, you have to listen to my, you have to live. So what I said. So this is my third time I am saying, I am asking, what do you mean by the software is licensing?
Licensing.
License. Software is license.
Software document provides.
Document provides. Okay. How about the Cindy? Sorry, Ronalia. Ronalia, do you want to repeat the question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I am asking what do you mean by the software licensing? I think you are forgetting everything, right? We have done these things. What do you mean by the software licensing? Ari, forget about the software licensing. What do you mean by the driving license? Cindy, can you tell me what do you mean by the driving license?
Sir, earlier my mic wasn't working. So is it like some kind of a legal kind of a document that you can have like a software?
Not exactly,
Sir,
Ronalia.
sir, can
No
I?
worries. Cindy, can you tell me, Cindy, what do you mean by the driving license? You know the driving license. I think your father should might have a drive. Oh, definitely your father.
We
Uh,
driving license.
okay, Cindy, tell me. It's okay. Noise is coming. I know. Yeah, little brother or sister shouting. We can't stop it.
Driving license is a license that we have to drive.
Okay. Yeah, definitely. So see, if see, I am driving my car. So when I am driving my car, I should have a license for that. Otherwise, what will happen when the police check where's my whether you have a valid license, valid valid driving license, that is okay. If it is if even if I don't have a driving license at that time, right, even I forget the license, so there will be a problem, right? So driving license ensure that you have rights. Remember, rights to drive the vehicle, right? Right, right. It's drive the vehicle, right? Tarul, I think you asked me to, can I say, right? Tell now.
Is the software is illegal or illegal?
Illegal or illegal? What?
Legal? Is that software is legal?
Yes, very good. The software licensing ensure that, right, whether you can use the license, actually, whether you can use that particular software. If you are getting the license means you can use it without any issue, right? So it's like a driving license. You are driving the vehicle. How you are driving the vehicle? Because you are the legally you have a license. Same thing when you are using the particular software, you should have a license for that particular software. So license, the software license implies what? That means the software license implies
You
that
can use this.
you have a what? You have a rights.
You can use this software anytime.
Yes, you have a rights to use the particular software, right? Without any fear, you can use that. And another thing that this license implies that the software manufacturer or software making manufacturer will get the payment, because if you are getting the license, they are not giving the license software in free. They are charging. They are charged the amount. You have to pay. I will tell you. I will tell you good example. So this Epic. See now this Epic application, right? See about what is this Epic pen? What's they are saying? This is Epic Basic, right? I think you can see that, right? Right? It go. I'll make like this. See, I think you can see. See, personal use only, right? But this is basic, right? If you want to update, what they are saying, buy now. Available in Epic Pen Pro. right? Now it's going to the Epic site. Download and free and improve your this download new Epic, right? But I am using what? I am using basic. But I have a license. I already purchased it. But at the moment, I see activate pro. If I want to activate it, I have to enter this activation code, right? I think I forgot. I can have an activation code here. If I have an activation code, I can. This is a free version, right? But if I have activate code, you can see how many colors are there. How many colors? Only 3 lines, 2 lines. See, after activate, I will get a more colors. Okay. So this is still a free version, but I want to activate, right? I want to activate with Pro because I already purchased the license, right?
Activate now, sir.
Yeah, now I am going to activate now. Wait, I don't know whether I have activation code. I think I purchased this one earlier, but I actually what I recently yesterday I have formatted my computer. I have my issue. I have restarting issue, so I had to format my computer. So I have done that. So that's why this application again and again I have to make it license because of formatting. After formatting, I have to reinstall all the applications. So that's the problem. That's what happened today. My all apps were gone. Now I am installing and configuring and activating my licenses as well, one by one, right? So I think Epic activation. I think I have a issue in here with like this. Check whether it's if I found the activation key, I will let you know how to activate this kind. So this is right. Anyway, so that is called software license. Even if you see Microsoft Teams, we say Office package. I think I have a license in Office. Word. I think I don't know whether it is there or not. Check whether. See, activation required. Why? See, I am still didn't get the license for this. Got it? Right? So see, software is unlicensed. This product is unlicensed. It's still unlicensed. Unlicensed. Understand? So this is called so if you are licensed, it means you have to pay and get the license. That's the preferred method. You have to do it. You have to pay to Microsoft and get the license. Then only this say
How much
software
we have to pay?
software license. It's depend on the applications you have used. Now here
Okay.
Microsoft Office Professional Plus. So we'll say we have to pay $350, something like that. So you have to pay $350. Got it? Or $220, something like that. So that is called software licensing, right? So this is when you do O level and A level, we are talking about more detail, but so far this is okay.
So my one is licensed.
Yeah, I am. I just want to ask: is there anyone who is doing French, French language, Japanese, Chinese, and German?
No.
No, no. So if you are interested, so we are starting the French language teaching. So even the grade 5, 6 also we are teaching the French language. So we have a very good teacher in our institute. So if anyone interested, just let me know. We can have a class. Right. 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 So that is about the software licensing. So they are saying that what? Check whether the software is licensed. Further, check whether the trial period of software is expired. There's a trial period. What do you mean by the trial period?
That give you to test the software. Is it okay?
Yeah, normally the
This
trial period means the
the
software
type
company. Okay. Software company give some trial period like 15 days, normally 30 days. So we can use the particular software without any issue. But sometimes half of the features are there, half of, not all, half of the features are there. They are not giving all the functions in the particular software because you didn't still buy it. So that's what the trial period comes. The trial period comes, that's the reason, right? So within that trial period, you should understand, okay, whether this particular software is suitable or not. If it is suitable, after trial period, you can purchase it and you can use forever, right? Because you are going to purchase it. After purchasing that particular software, see, remember the software is not owned by you, but you are getting rights to use forever. Use the software licensing is, make sure that you can use that particular software without any issue, because that software is developed by some other software development company, but they are giving right to, it's like a copyright, right? So in the copyright laws, there are a lot of features are there. Some they are giving rights to only for using the particular software. Remember, you can't sell these software. No, selling prohibited. Sell can be done only resellers. Resellers, resellers are the businessmen, right? They can resell. That means they are purchasing Microsoft product, we'll say Office application, Photoshop, Adobe application, and they are going to again sell to the end customer, assuming that end user is we are the end users. Resellers means they are also they are getting the discount rate, right? And they are keeping some margin, profit margin, and they are selling back to the end user. So the resellers are authorized. Authorized means they should have a authority to resell. This authority is given by the software company, the manufacturer software company, for example, Microsoft. So Microsoft has their partners. Partners means they are other company partners. So what they are saying, okay, that they are saying, we say I am like a Microsoft company. I am saying that, okay, we have a software, we have developer, this is owned by us, but we are giving to you as a partner, as a resellers, what you can do, we will give the discounted rate, okay, but we are giving a right to sell to you only, then you can sell to your end user, that doesn't matter, but you have to be a partner of our company, right? Then only we say that you are an authorized partner. So that's the meaning about the authorized partner, right? So these things you should know. These are belongs to IT, right? These are belongs to IT, right? So that's how you have to all right. So today we will wind up the class then. So remember, so today we have done a lot of things. Ronalia, Cindy, Tarul, I have to say one thing, right? You are forgetting things. So that which is, I am really disappointed, right? So if I am asking the question, if you don't know, that is the problem, because I am not asking the question which I didn't teach you, right? So please go through my YouTube channel, go through the sessions I have uploaded so far. You have to you have to look at those recording, because you are forgetting things. Today also we have discussed a lot of things, software licensing, right? We have talked about the software compatibility. These are very good thing, right? We have talked about the troubleshooting step. We have talked about the hardware, software, just to recap it, right? Finally we talk about the who is the authorized resellers, partners. See, this level, no one is teaching like these things, even grade 8. So you have actually you have to get the benefit of these classes, right? See, if you are struggling with answering the questions, so actually it's not it's not a good sign to me as well. Then, because I will inform your parents, asking them to asking you to look at my videos, because I will message to them saying that okay, the students are going to weak, because they are not they can't remember the things what I have
Sir, what
teach.
is your YouTube channel?
Oh my goodness. So how
No,
many times,
my YouTube is cancelled.
times
Deleted.
how many times I have shared in the WhatsApp group? Okay, again I will share it in my WhatsApp group,
Okay.
right? Please refer that, right? In that YouTube channel, you have your recording is there, right? Grade 7 recording and grade 8 recording. See, these resources are for you, right? Otherwise I don't want to record it. I am recording these application, these sessions, and put it to you benefit. You have to get the benefit of it, so you can reuse these things, right? So if that's what. Otherwise, if I am not recording, if the class is end, even you are also forgetting. So I also don't know whether I have teach you these things or not, right? So because of recording purpose, because I am recording, so you can get the benefit. Even some other student also can get the benefit, right? Even I have a track of saying that okay, I have done this level, right? So I can say your parent, okay, you look at my videos, I have done this much of level to your students. So it is for my purpose, right? So please use these resources, right? So things are forgetting, right? But you have to keep in mind that, so not to forget the lessons, what we have, the concept, what we have done. If someone asking about the hardware, software, right? If you are not answering the proper way, right? No point, no. So I know you are a very good student, right? You can do a lot of things. So you brush up your knowledge by looking at these videos, Okay. So next week we will remember. Next week you will get a test. Now you have to. The test is coming.
Test paper or
Yeah, just I will give the paper, right? Online paper. I mean, I will show the questions, right? So you have to answer the questions.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
this class is was for last week or this week?
Sorry.
This class. This class was for this week or last week?
No, no. This class for the first class for the May. We have only 4 classes. No, this is the first one. So for this month we have to do another 3 classes. So we will do the 3 classes, right? Okay.
Or should I should take this one?
Okay. Take care. See you. Bye.
bye.
Bye. Take care.